Hi, this is Matt with Amalinks Pro. Right now I'm going to show you how to quickly insert various Amazon link styles. Basically turn a plain Amazon review post that doesn't have any Amazon links and turn it into an Amazon money-making machine. So as you can see, this is what the post looks like right now. It's just a bunch of text. There's a YouTube video in there, but there's no links to Amazon right now. So this is a post preview. I'm going to go over to the post editor now. We're going to get started. So first thing I want to do is start with some text links. So I want a Coleman Classic Propane Stove right here. I want to turn this into a text link. So I just copied that text. I'm going to go hit Amalinks Pro at the top. I'm going to paste the text here and hit search. This is the product I want to promote right here. So I'm going to hit the choose button. And I'm going to start with text links. So hit text link. This is my text preview. If I want to change that, I simply hit the pencil icon and I can change that to whatever I want. And the live preview would change, but that looks good. So I'm going to go to step 3, look at my link settings, new window, no follow, everything looks good. So I'm going to click the insert link button. You can also insert shortcode, but I would prefer to insert links. So it looks just like this in my post. Now there's a few other places within this post that I also have text links, so I'm going to do the same thing, click Amalinks Pro, but when I go back to Amalinks Pro, it brings me right back to where I left off when I was there. I'm in step 3 for that exact same product, and all I got to do is hit the insert link button again, and see that turned into a text link now. I got a couple more text links within this post. Just got to scroll down and find them. Here's one right here. Turn this into another text link. Insert link. There we go. And I believe I have one more towards the bottom. Yep, right here. And turn that into a text link. Insert link. So that should be all my text links. So now I'm going to go back to the top and we're going to work on some image links. I know I wanted to put a large image right here, so I'm going to highlight the text. When I do that and I click the Amalinks Pro button, whatever link type I choose in Amalinks Pro will replace this highlighted text. So I'm going to go Amalinks Pro, I'm going to go back to step 2, we're on the same product still, and I'm going to switch to image link. And here's a preview of the current image. I can click this pencil icon and choose any image that I want. I'm going to choose this image in large. And now here's the preview for that. I like it, so I'm going to go to step 3. This is where I choose our link settings. I want to center align this image for this post. Everything else is the same. I can again insert shortcode or insert link. If I don't want shortcode for text links or images on this site, so I'm going to click the insert link button and the actual image itself comes into the post. And when you're on that, you can change the alignment and do some editing just like you can with a normal Wordpress image. Okay, now we're going to scroll down. I see right here I want a CTA button that says Coleman Classic Propane Stove. So I'm just going to highlight this text and copy it. And then I'm going to highlight all of this because this is where I want the CTA button. So I'm going to go back to step 2 and switch to Cta Link. This is a preview for what it would look like. Now these are a bunch of buttons I've already created on this site. Every time you create a CTA button, it will save the style on the site. So these are a bunch of previous styles that I saved on here while I was doing different demos and stuff. So I'm going to start with this button. So hit select. You can see the live preview changes to that button style. So go to step 3. It's center aligned. I like that. So I'll insert shortcode, and there's the shortcode for that CTA button. Okay, I wanted another large image right here. So go Amalinks Pro, back to step 2, image link. I want a different large image. I think maybe we'll try this one in large. That's what that looks like. I like it. So go to step 3. It's going to be center aligned. Looks good. Now I want to put a CTA button just below this large image. I want this one to say buy the Coleman Classic Propane Stove. So I'm going to copy that text and then highlight the whole thing to replace it. Click the Amalinks Pro button, back to step 2 and switch back to Cta Link now. I'm going to show you a different style this time. I'll try this one next. On the live preview, you can see what happens with the hover. Now insert shortcode, and that's right there. I'll scroll down a little bit. There's the video right here that I embedded, and I want another CTA below that video that says buy the Coleman Classic Propane Stove. So I highlight that. I'm going to go back to step 2 and change this button style again. This time I'm going to select this green one. Go to step 3, insert shortcode, and there it is. Okay, scroll down a little bit more. Now I wanted to put in these, I wanted some smaller, like medium-sized images right aligned to go with these paragraphs. So I'm going to do that here. Go back to step 2, do an image link. Click the pencil icon to select a different image. And we put this one in medium. If you scroll up, you can see this is the size a medium would look like. Looks good. So go to step 3. And in this case, I want it to be right aligned because it's going to be within this paragraph with text wrapped around it. So center align wouldn't make sense for that. I want this one right aligned. Then insert link. And there it is with the text wrapped around it. So I'm going to do another one of those right here with a different image. So back to step 2. Click the pencil icon to select a different image. Maybe we'll try this one in medium. Looks good. Insert link. And there it is. And now another CTA button, again that says buy the Coleman Classic Propane Stove. Oops, highlighted too much there. Oops, did it again. Okay. Back to step 2, Cta Link. I'll just do this green one again. I like that one. And change it back to center align for that. And insert shortcode. Now this section is what Amazon customers have to say about the Coleman stove. And so for this CTA button, I want to change the text. I want it to say see ratings and reviews on Amazon. So I'm going to copy that text. Go back to step 2 for the Cta link. And I have a button design right here that kind of matches some Amazon colors a little. So I'm going to select that one. Oops, I forgot to change the text. So up right here is where we paste in that text where it says see ratings and reviews on Amazon. I like it. So go to step 3, insert shortcode. There it is. And last but not least, so I want to insert a showcase box at the very bottom. So I'm going to highlight that, click the Links Pro button, go back to step 2, click showcase. I can choose from any one of these showcase types right here. I'm going to stick with this one on the top for right now. I want to remove the warranty because there's no warranty information, and remove this. You can drag and drop these around and reorder them however you like. You can do it like that. You can change the image. Maybe I'll change this image to this one. Hit select, and then I'm going to choose this. Oh, you can also change this text. Maybe I want to write buy now on Amazon. Okay, I'll choose that. Go to step 3. Align center, so insert shortcode. It should be in there. So now if we hit the, I'm going to save it real quick. And then I'm going to hit the preview button now. And it's reloading the preview, and let's see how it looks. So we come over here, here's our text link, our first image link, another text link. There's our first CTA button. There's our next image link, our next CTA button, and all of these of course are linking to Amazon with our affiliate tag. Here's the video with another CTA button underneath there, another text link, our medium image links with the text wrapped around them, another CTA button, see ratings and reviews on Amazon. Buy now on it. This is the showcase box that includes pricing information, up-to-date pricing information. It shows you when the prices are accurate of, which is just a minute ago. So any of these links you click on, I'll click on it now, it brings me to Amazon with my affiliate tag to buy the product. And then one last thing I want to show you, you can see all this white space, the sidebar over here. If you scroll to the top, here's the generic sidebar for this site, and once you scroll down, it's just a bunch of wasted blank white space. So what I want to do is change that to a custom sidebar that I have set up for this specific product. I'm going to click that. I'm going to save draft so it saves that, and I'm going to click the preview button one more time so it reloads. Now I come over here, and now the sidebar has the actual product that we're promoting, the propane stove, and a nice buy on Amazon button. As you scroll down, it stays stuck to the page. Pretty neat, huh? I have an entire tutorial post on exactly how I do that, and I'll put that in a link below this video. So yeah, that's it. That's how you transform a plain Amazon review post into an Amazon money-making machine. It would be nearly impossible for a reader to not click over to Amazon on this post, and that's our #1 goal, is to get readers to click over to Amazon, and then Amazon does their thing and gets them to buy, and we make commissions. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video.